Hi guys, Alicia here. I want to just shoot a quick video and show you how you can use the post page ID from previous ads that you've been running that are getting a lot of engagement, and you're thinking, well, I ran an engagement ad for that, but ultimately I want to go and choose a different objective to it because I want to run traffic to it or I want to get leads from that particular ad. So a really good powerful strategy is to run engagement ads, build up a lot of social credibility behind it, and then go and repurpose that ad with a different objective. So this is how we do it. So go to an ad that's been getting lots of engagement. So I'm going to go to this particular one. Just click into it. Okay. What we do is we just tick the little box here at the side and we go preview. So you can see here it's got some social proof. We go to this little box up here in the corner. Facebook post with comments. And what I want to do is I want to highlight this ID number. This is the page post ID number. So we copy that, close out, go back to Ads Manager, close out of there. Now I just want to go and create a new ad. Great. And now I just go and choose the objective I want. So if I want to turn this into a traffic ad, because this is actually running to a blog post, I would go traffic, change your campaign name, all of that good stuff. I'm not going to run through any of this right now. Just go continue. And this is where I want to show you. So what I want to do here is we want to go use existing post. And underneath here where the creative is, select a post. We want to click that and enter and right click in that ID number that we collected from our browser bar and go to submit. Now this post can't be used for this ad because it doesn't exist on this page you've chosen. So make sure that you choose the right page. So we can come up here and I can change it over to my other account. Now it'll populate. My internet is a little slow today, so bear with. Okay, so there it is. So there's my engagement, my shares, running to my blog post. And now I can just go confirm and I would be running an ad to this post. So it's a really powerful strategy. If you've been running an ad and you've got lots of engagement and social proof behind that ad and you want to push it back out there with a different objective, or maybe you just want to run it to a different audience of people and split test your audiences out because obviously the ad's working, it's getting attention, but you want to try it to a different audience. So that's how we use the page post ID in the Facebook Ads Manager. Bye for now. Oh, before I do go, if you want to keep getting some more Facebook training, there's a Facebook group called Facebook Ads Training for affiliate and network marketers. I'll put the link in the comments below. Also, I have a Facebook ads campaign map, which just walks you through step by step. It's a printable version. It's just going to walk you step by step down the ads campaign setup process, okay? And I'll also put the link for that down below too. So go and get your free download and come and join us in the group for more Facebook ads training. Bye for now.